Curdy Bob's Tractor Repair.
So we're back underneath here. Just wanted to show that the PTO clutch is in. I showed you the back side where it is all bolted up. I want to show you this here. This is a baffle. This baffle goes right inside there. As you can see, it's marked top. So I'm pretty sure guys can understand that part of it. But it goes. I'm just going to kind of stick it up in here lightly for a second. And then get you guys a picture of it. It's not fully knocked in there yet, but right there it is. That's how it sets in there. It's got to go inside a groove. But I put red Loctite around the outside edge of it before I stick it in there, just to help hold it in. What that is a baffle for oil. So that oil kind of stays in the bottom of that and soaks in the clutches and in that whole bottom part. And as it spins, you don't get that splashing, throwing of the oil, because it is, you know, at 2100, 2200 RPMs, it's going to be spinning. So let's go ahead and put that in there, and then we'll put the drive shaft in. The drive shaft here for the hydraulic pumps, we'll get that stuck in. And I'll go over, like we talked about before, on the side pieces where we marked them, counted how many revolutions they came out, because that is very important. We'll get her all thrown together.